My name is Robert Keir. I am the duty signalman today. I also do guarding and I drive a diesel. Well, it's something to do in retirement. I mean, you've got to have something to do. You can't just sit in the house all day. I worked for 37 years. I retired at 57. So I needed something to keep my brain active. I've always liked mechanical things like cars and aircraft and canals and trains. So I've learned to drive a train. I've learned to operate a signal box. I've learned more to talk to people, which I never did in my career because I tended to work with machinery all the time. I'd say come along and enjoy it. It's great fun. We've got a nice bunch of people here. Anyone can do it.